Hey, this is Randy with the legendary Concrete, see me? The one.
Yes.
The man we tell about the red onion and thing for Jamaica Good Life, and him back with the thing again.
The play match, not play a game.
Cause it just feels Jamaican.
Yeah man.
And him have upstairs too.
Yeah man, over there is our film, everything up here.
Wow.
Yeah man.
Oh.
Yeah.
Concrete, I'm glad to make it you know what
Yeah man. So they meet Jamaica food.
Cool.
Them man.
No, Jamaica don't go around. Mandible.
I'm on the man them.
Yeah man.
Oh. Live band there for tonight, sir.
Eh?
Live band that's a roots bamboo.
It's a rose bamboo.
No, something. Roots bamboo, sir.
So what is this for?
Soon tell you name. Roots bamboo, down as a Alfred. Yes, I would stack. Soon see sign out already.
My youth, them man.
Eh?
My youth, them low.
I don't know, afraid for what?
No man, them cool. Them a country man.
Yo, my boss. Yo, my boss. See, my boss, see.
Yes, sir.
What my boss?
Yo, big boss.
What about that? Years me not see you. Yeah, man, we're there.
Whatever that name, Concrete.
Yeah, man.
Concrete, what's going on the road outside?
Them say the great Concrete. Where you get the greatness from?
Alright, over there, so we don't go, but we all got in yard here.
Yeah.
We don't go right, so but then lap. We can't go right to the yard. Right to the home way.
So we're
We
going
don't
to
tell about no bag of place, no man.
decent place. Something like that. When you're good, you don't walk like you're hungry.
It's a Concrete time, my daughter, two first cousin. I got me, I tell you. Big up,
Yes.
Hey, I don't understand. Let's see. We have a powerful thing I carry on earth. You know, it's a Friday. Last week, Friday, I did my yard. No, last week, Thursday, my man asked me. They asked me for 3 weeks here. And I said, what you want me for, man? Man, some ratchet, I need a concrete. I said, yes, man. If you want a lady, send me to you. This some herb, you want to go to England right now. I want to go up on the internet and see where herb for. So then call him chicken weed.
Yeah man, we know it. Donkey weed, chicken weed,
Yeah.
good for the cancer.
Yes. Yeah, somebody just go look them.
Now you're a bush did that?
Yeah. I have everything, man. I have every herb, man.
Cersei, everything.
Everything.
Neem?
Man. Everything.
You have neem on your bush?
Everything.
How
Man.
are the rats?
Everything, man.
Sarsaparilla.
Well, me dung in a him now.
Roots?
Yeah.
Everything for the roots?
Yeah, I see that hit me, I get you now. The plant.
For what?
The seed, I sarsaparilla.
Yeah.
From one have it like how you see the grass, bro.
We're going to drive that car there.
That one?
Yeah. Red one.
I heard man, it good for cancer.
What name?
Huh? Them call it root of herbs.
Root of herbs?
Oh, yes, that's my name.
The root of herbs?
Oh, yeah.
So it's like susumba
Yeah.
combined.
Yes.
Kind of the mark up on it.
Yes.
It'll protect itself so you know say it good.
Yeah.
How you
It
prepare
good for sore.
How you prepare it?
Yes, you boil it on the fire.
Just cut it and boil
No,
it.
you just dry it like this and boil it on the fire. But all bush must dry.
All bush must dry.
We
Nothing
must
green.
Nothing green.
Why? Cersei boiled green.
No. Until you drink the herb green. Any herbal man tell us the herb to drink green. He might mash up.
When we do mint,
No, mint must not drink green. No bush, no herb.
everything dry.
Dry. Any man get herb and say if you boil it.
Or quail, dry or quail.
If it dry. This we know, we have a time and now we have the moon. We have to look the herb before the moon come. We have 2 weeks of dark night, 2 weeks of moonshine. During the time when the moon just come, the herb, every herb turn water. Everything gone back to the herb. You understand me?
Yeah, yeah.
And after I catch 5 o'clock like now, no herb must not draw. You draw the herb at the daylight and enter it to the person. So any man get herb light now, you know good. Everything gone back to bed. Every tree they sleep at this moment. Yeah. But if you come out and look on this tree, you see leaf them lock up. So no herb no good. When they dry it like now, you have to dry it like say at the wake 5 o'clock until 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the day. You stop look herb. All herb. You understand? So if me look herb now and give you, it is like me take your herb, me give you herb and it still not go help you. You waste you go waste some money. You waste your time to boil it, so you better illustrate it. So if you call me now and tell me say you want some herb and me now have it dry in my yard, or me if you go look in me, I tell you plain, you have to go check me in the morning. Tell you what time you have to come for it. Yeah. That's how me deal with it. I don't deal with herb and just give people and tell people, say, yes, go and go use it. So you have to know if you give people herbs. If you don't know if you give herbs, you don't know if you get herbs. Make herbs safe. Herbs are not for your plant. You don't get that gift there. Herbs are gift.
What about the people who dry the herbs, put in capsule and everything? Everything
Yes,
good?
well, at that we try to show you, say, the all herbs have to dry.
Yeah.
Any man give you green herbs, you know, good. It is like the weed where you smoke. If you're not dry, you don't have no. You're not get nothing from it. You're not clear scrub it. You not burn.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah. You go over bush, huh?
The root of, you said the root of herbs.
Yeah.
Never hear that one yet, you know. You ever hear about that one there? No.
Well, here I know, it grow. You see them, alright, look on that one against the driver. What I say, see blossom where it bloom?
Mm-hmm.
Just go up on the internet right now and see if you can find it. Just hold this and look for it right now on the internet.
So let me clarify. If you were to administer this, you would pick it at a certain time.
No, you have to pick it like in the morning from say 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7 a.m.
Yes. When you catch say 2, 3 o'clock, all bush stop look. All herbs.
All bush goes to sleep.
Yes, all herbs go to bed. All herbs. Every herbs. Sleep. Everything sleep. No follow no man. No man.
And then you dry it for how long? You just dry it.
When you dry it,
Dry. Yes.
Like you dry it like this week, next week. When you see start get dry, you can't boil it. And behind bush to herbs not to boil.
Yeah, you put in the water and make it dry.
If it dry.
Dry.
Oh, so
All herbs to dry.
Dry.
Okay, so you put in the hot water and make it,
Yes.
Make it
And
dry.
lock up it.
lock it up.
Yeah.
Root.
Yeah.
You said the root of herb. Just this alone for the cancer?
Yes. And like you have a lady now, and you find him saying, the balls in your belly.
Uh-huh.
You just boil like give him and get the peppermint and drop it in it and give it to drink. We have one girl on the right now with a roll, you know, last time.
Uh-huh.
We give it for 9 days.
Mm-hmm.
today I don't get none for me and they ain't got no dry out.
90 with the peppermint. So you know about 100 or 200 different variety of herbs,
Yeah.
and talk about your
Go straight down, Paris. Straight down.
Your-
A greenhouse, you have a black half of that's still in a big one.
Okay.
You know?
the greenhouse. I go.
And then we'll put greenhouse for water.
So where do you learn all this stuff?
Well, it is a gift God give me, just God give me right here in some bars. You just easy right just on lock up the here. Come in and
Yes, yes.
all of them land now. All of this. Yes. Let me tell about the cabbage.
So we could set up a tent down. You have any water catchment nearby? So how you bring your water in?
Me have a something down there.
Mosquitoes down here?
Yes, man. Me not tell them to put them out there.
Hey. No.
Yes.
Ticks?
No.
Grass lice?
No. When I carry them things.
Grass lice is because of what? Cows?
Yeah.
Cows create grass lice.
Yeah.
Anybody ever camped out here before?
Yeah, man. We won't over there so we build furniture. And trade. You see Herbal Miguel go
Yeah.
just go up on the internet. Man.
These look like callaloo. What are these?
No, there is a
These must be a herb.
no, a herb for baby.
For baby.
Yeah. For griping.
Griping.
Yes, baby have a gripe. You see my farm here now, from here so. You understand? Come on.
Yes.
Let's to walk. Everything what they are talking, everything. Concrete.
Yeah, the sugar cane.
Pumpkin. You want a pumpkin, you can pick it. You want, you can. Come again.
You have your okra, your pepper.
Aloe Vera. Then there are something else.
Sweet potato.
Cabbage over here. Sir.
Oh, them can look nice.
Yes, sir. Any amount you want.
Wait also.
What's that slow movement?
Yeah, man. Oh, yes, sir.
Market, you see, with this. A man say me fi catch 12,000 root.
What is it called?
Eh?
What is it called?
This is you just tell your name in like Karen.
That is
This is Comfrey.
Comfrey.
Yeah. And this is
The
Rosemary.
Okay.
Yes, Rosemary. So them use this now and build a rosemary oil and sell it. So this now you can eat on your food.
Oh yeah, it smells
And
very
this
good.
is mountain sap.
Not sweet sap.
No, mountain
Not
sap.
sour sap.
No, mountain
What's the
sap.
difference?
Different things are different. They are different flavor, different everything.
All right, hold on a second.
Cotton tree here. Cotton tree.
Cotton tree.
Billboard.
Yes. Yes, you have a very. I like your farm. It's very nice and clean. You know what I'd love to do? Just build a simple hut on the farm. Rent it out.
Right up there.
We can do it up there.
Right up there now.
Simple thing. We can get it rented for you now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. No, sir. Cotton tree. Yeah. Yeah, that tall one. And the next one back over this again, a cotton tree. See it over there. I cotton, when them birds, it cotton, what you use fly out of them. Yeah, man.
Yes, concrete. About 5 acres.
Yeah. Me close that. Yeah, 5 years. But by next week when I come and I'm going to see no grass again, I'm going to burn them down with chemical.
You sure you want to put the chemical on the land though?
Yeah, man. You see pumpkin? Man?
The chemical no affect the growth of the thing.
No.
Why not?
No. You don't give me no. That's the use the chemical. The amount of things. Let it plant. You understand?
Yeah.
And then here a bean.
String bean.
No. Full original bean with shell.
Okay. Wow, man, this farm just keep going.
Huh?
This just.
Yeah, man, see there, whole light of me, whole of this. You may have a whole over there, so now we spray down and clean up. See pumpkin in here.
Wow.
See down there.
Look at this one. Look at this pumpkin. Just you know. The Almighty. Blessings and love pumpkin. What you say? How you feel? You feel nice?
Yeah, the next one in front of this again. Look over there.
Yes,
Sit there. Sit there in front over there, sir. Sit over there.
oh, seem a different brother. This good for the heart, you know.
Yeah, man.
With the skin and everything.
Yeah, man.
Yes, that one you're young. Wow. So you have your pumpkin.
And come again, Jamaican food. Real Jamaican food.
This place is very peaceful.
Yes. This is squash.
Yes, squash.
Yes, squash what we eat. Green squash. See it here. Ready to eat. I want them ready to cut. Right now. Squash again.
Wow. I
Squash.
love the just the flatness and the space. Feel land.
Come again.
Not a big pumpkin.
Jamaican food.
What you doing, bro? Is life good for you? Nice, love you. Pumpkin there, ready.
Food, man. See that?
Yes. So you spend many hours in here.
Yes.
So that's what gives you your peace and tranquility.
Yes. This is squash again right up here. So me have from here so now. We maintain with plants. Go back right round. So when they're right here now, see look over if you see car.
No.
Pumpkin said we're down here so now. Never clean up here now, never spray down back around this plant and whole else now with pumpkin. Dashing coast long as yeah, dashing down the planet level long. What I want to do now, you see? Right here so I want to cut down them trees and I want to build one pump house right there.
A pump house?
Yes, a river is enough.
Oh, you have a spring?
No, a river. Full of fish. All type of fish.
A river?
Yes. All type of fish. You don't meet back on the big river, we go down on Negril.
Eh?
Yes.
And upon your land?
Yeah.
This is where the mosquito come from?
Yeah. But it's full of fish.
How deep is it?
Deep.
You have water upon your land?
Yeah.
So you just pump and
Yeah.
spray
You
your
just need
thing?
a pump right here. Right here.
So this can't bathe with?
No,
No?
we're not bathing that.
No, you can't pump it out and bathe it, eh?
No, we don't use that here.
Why not?
We bring water from main road to put for our body.
Why not?
No, we don't use it. We just not use it. But it clean. You understand? So, there is a riverhead right there. There's a riverhead right there.
River head.
Head of river.
The water spring up.
Yeah, right there.
Really?
Yeah.
So why couldn't you bathe with that?
We're not bathing.
Because it's more into the greenery.
Marrow.
It's with the plants.
Yeah.
Mix up too much.
Yeah.
It's not just running.
No.
It sits.
Yeah.
And
But
you,
it's full of fish. It's full of crayfish. It's full of other type of fish.
yeah?
Every type of fish you know.
You ever caught fish in there?
Otherwise, right now, I'm gonna go build 20 fish pots. You know. The drop in it go straight. Then.
So-
clean from here.
So wait a
You
minute.
can walk clean.
So this is your land
Yeah.
that the river run on.
Yeah.
All the way to the big one.
Yes, all
So if you get a boat, you can literally...
yes, boat come on the big one.
Okay, it's
Don't
getting
go down
much.
too far. Don't go down.
Okay,
It's kind of right.
okay. But for watering your things,
Right here.
wow,
Yeah, beautiful.
wow. So if you clean this up, you'll have a nice view,
Yeah.
right? Wow. But people dive in it, you can swim
No,
in it?
nobody dive. Everybody come and catch fish. With them hook and line.
Yeah?
Right here.
Nice big fish.
Yeah, nice big fish. Beautiful. Right here.
Oh my gosh. To think you can come fishing, you know?
Yeah.
And on your own land.
Yes.
Concrete. Anyone ever came around here with a camera?
No.
No?
No, nobody don't come here yet. This is the first one coming.
I'm the first one ever putting this on film.
Yes.
What I like about your area is peaceful.
Yes.
It's-
Over here is the golf course.
Okay.
Straight golf course. I can see from here to the phone.
I like your area because it has water.
Golf course. That's Sinclair golf course. It's over there.
Sinclair Golf Course, okay. And yeah, I love it. Look at the water, so you could pump and grow special tomatoes
Yes,
and
yes,
anything you
everything,
want.
everything. Right here, so I'm going to put the pump out.
The pump house.
Right here. Okay, what I can see. Yeah, man.
It's a river, you know? We go to the main river in Negril.
Every type.
It's a pump house a while ago.
Yeah.
Every type. Eh? No, I not tell you no lie. I never seen none in it.
A fish in the door.
Yes, man, it's full of fish.
Deep.
Yeah.
Yeah. When a fish up here, I jump up.
Yeah, man, I tell you, crayfish in it. You know.
Okay.
Every type of fish in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right now, I want a whole of fish pot. I cut bamboo. I make one man build for me.
Yeah. I get on board.
Yeah.
And I go up the river that.
Yeah, go so. I drop out back along a big one. Now I go down a Negril.
Oh. Where else are you there?
Watch your step.
Yeah.
Water is not a problem.
No.
But him can't use it for bait or nothing.
No, we don't
No,
use
but
it.
in the
For water.
We just want it to
yeah,
company proper.
one time.
Yeah.
Well, you can set up another set up your pump
And
and
that me go do right here.
Drop
So.
the line.
Right here. That's it, me pump here.
yeah, man.
And
But
then
it's a
what,
piece of land and some of them spray out in our Monday morning. Put it back in a production.
Yeah.
With the hillside, the whole hillside. That's what I'm going to tell about with the cabbage.
yeah, go put all the cabbage on that.
Yes, that's what I'm going to put the cabbage.
I love this place, man.
Come on, tell us a beautiful thing you do, man. I'm not going to leave off.
It's a long time I work it. It's not a long time I work it now.
Everybody come to my place, I love it. I'm not put no camp on I put it on the crown out here. Yeah, I want it on the crown out here. That's what I put it. Everything I do. Everything. Right now, I grow anything and tell you no lie. Right now, 3/4 ganja seed me fi carry you know. So until you come back home here, now I pay weed there look man. 3 fields.
can plant up every little thing.
Everything.
Yeah.
I don't want nothing. I don't want to send me out there so I go to the road go carry nothing.
Everything you have here.
Yeah. Fowl I go there, dog go there, cat I go there, everything.
When I stay here reading my brain right now, when I said fowl.
Yeah, fowl I go there, the crow. Dog I go there, cat there.
So that means I say I have light I go there, see him.
Yes, man.
Current I go there,
Yeah.
see him.
For a greenhouse I go bring light.
Yes.
For you don't know, say. For we are going to weed, you know, we have to go with the light. We have everything.
When I go and farm, yeah man, when I do farming after I go do it every little thing man. See that is land.
Yeah.
Everybody have to eat.
Yeah, that's why I say, man, they don't want to come.
And who go like that now eat them I go dead.
Yeah, they don't want to come. You call them,
Yeah.
You call them and they don't want to come.
they don't want money. Then they laugh and take it like a granted and I give them and I say, this man a waste time, man. Yes, sir, boss. Alright, that's me and put the camp. I want to branch in the sun when the sun is set. I don't want to have the waste time and set. No. Yeah, I'm the one. No, nobody.
No, big man level rasta.
You're patient.
No, for a big man level rasta.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
We like this too, man.
Yeah, man. I want to put the camp, you see. I put the camp right down there. I may do now.
Wow, I love the view.
We are going to have a toilet while them easy to dig out. I don't have a problem.
Okay.
Some more have a farm right around me. I'm just there right in. I make everything with it. Full cuba and everything.
Ah.
The piece of marrow so while the sun out, you burn down around it with fire. You take it back again for the sun out, come back on so with that thing. Sweet pepper, hot pepper, everything out of the fun.
Your grandparents passed this on to you.
Yeah.
And what was their last name?
Forester.
Forrester.
Yeah.
Now, guys, this is in the west. We're talking about Negril. What do you call this place? Where we are now? What's the name of this?
Nampral Road we're there right now.
Nampral Road.
Nampral Road.
All right, let me do a GPS on this. I'm going to add it to the Google Maps. So I want to come through for check you. Boom.
Easy to find now.
1 second. Anybody see your vision?
Yeah.
To try to work with you. Them see the wealth you're going to have.
Yeah.
So they won't overcharge you.
Yes. That is it. Come call man for cut long this. I want to be sent to give them. Now for with Jamaican money right now. I want to be sent to give them. Give them $1 million to chop it up.
$1 million?
Dollar.
I'm saying that means you can't get them to do it.
Alright, I will stay like that. And I'm enjoy alone take it down.
You?
Yeah, I'm
How long?
alone. Eh? The piece of land I take me like say a month and a half to cut it down.
And a man charge $1 million for it.
He said he give me $1 million to chop it down. Eh? When they come and look funny, they say they can't do it less. And they have to clean it from down, they come straight round. And you walk through and look funny. And me enjoy alone. Sometimes 12, 1 o'clock at night, me one day at the work. Me have my flashlight. And go back. Fed like this.
When you say go back, so what you mean?
When you drive on the road where the car park.
I feel on?
Yeah man, we can't work, you know.
So Jamaica Good Life right now, for me organization, anybody will come,
Yeah, to me, just check me.
just check you.
Yeah, right now.
After me approve them,
Yeah.
and them can plant anything they want.
anything.
And come reap it anytime they want.
Anytime. When I know man, I tell us, no, you can't do that, and you can't do that. Just come to me, and you're ready for work. Like.
You're up on a God thing, you know.
Yeah.
You know
I
that.
bless me, I deal with, man. If I not deal with blessing, you know, I come straight. Come in at this 2 weeks straight. Sleeping at night and day. I mean cow, herd a cow and see there. Right now if me tell man check out come in and say I like me I tell. Don't go. And I wanna do everything. Give me 2 more weeks and now you come in and see no grass and nowhere and I wanna weed it. I'm say people in our work for me that's not no sense.
So if a Rasta man from UK wanted to set up a little spot there, so no squatting,
No.
but just to come,
Yeah.
set up our base and do our planting.
No problem. We don't have that problem there here, so we don't have no problem. No problem. I just food we think.
What do you call this? Is like a little, your little Zion world, pretty much. This is from the west, beautiful in a brethren. I love it. Why is your heart so clean? Is it Selassie?
I mean, me deal with the right man, God Almighty.
Yeah.
Yes, I just see me deal. Hear me now. Over there gonna wire up. I go wire it up. Spend money for wire it up. Mr. Sinclair pass off. So in fun them now I go wire up that side. So I'm not responsible to that side. I'm just wire up my side. So my side clean. You understand? For food I just production me I deal with right here. So from here to the Morris.
How long it takes to go to the beach? What, 15 minutes?
15 minutes from here to the beach.
15 minutes to the beach. And you know I'm paying no $120 a night.
No.
You see me? Light your fire, roast your breadfruit.
And we have a lot of holes stuff. I mean, I think of some holes right now. If we just clean them, put the pit over it, put it in the bowl, and like that. Up here. You understand?
Big one, big pit.
Yeah, just a pit up here. So. Up here, so I put the camp. Right on the crown. So I'm on the sunrise, the sunset. I have to have the sunset live. Anybody come, I want to have the sunset straight in a Negril already.
Best sunset in Jamaica.
Yes,
Right?
this. And I hit more on it, and I have it.
Best sunset in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I see it just starts now.
You feel me acknowledge that piece of land? I'm sure we acknowledge it. And when me come towards the land, every man run gone. I say when I run there, I say yes man, I can't manage it. And every man will run, me feed them out of it. But I mean one time feed me. Yeah man, every man come, man. I tell them to come for food, man. I never take a dollar. Yeah man, I re-clean me, I spray down, That piece in my glass now for my shit down. Take out a bush, put it in food, straight food man. Herbal for there, right? Enough though. If you have enough herb on the property.
This is
Well,
free.
if you want dandelion, we have dandelion down there, so. Dandelion down there, so. I don't kill no dandelion, I don't kill no herb, I don't have no time for that.
So most of your herbs are down there.
Yes, see dandelion here. Dandelion. See, Ghana bed, I tell them say every tree sleep, you might lock up there.
Yeah.
Ghana in bed. They sleep. No man can get no herb, no you drinking, no use there. Even then gone to in bed. All I hurt now taking back all the medicine. So we can't give nobody no herb. If you're a real bushman, I can't give nobody no herb like that.
So wait, if I'm thinking about the electrical energy, because the sun not out, connect and pull up the electrical energy for the leaf them stand up.
Yeah.
When the sun goes down,
Everything
the electricity go back down.
Right down in our earth. That's why what I could do is clean. Anytime I catch 4:30, I must throw down all the tool and stop work your farm. I earth come back and sleep.
Because of the sun.
Yes. Just work with you and everything what you plan to do. Look for my bean farm. Right now I'm not planning on bean until June. For right now you get it's too much bush. I'm black off all of them plastic and the bean. But the bean good for everything in a human body. The first thing your eyesight. If I burn the cataract on your head back. The bean,
like the purple onion.
Yes, and the purple onion. You understand me?
Why the bean? Because it's deeply connected somehow?
Yes, the bean is a deep thing for your body. Deep thing than the purple onion. But after you get the bean cooking, you can cut up the purple onion and eat it raw. and drink the water, I better feel.
Good for your eyes.
Yes, it burn out everything. But anytime you dey eat onion, you know, study your body. You see them two places, anytime you eat onion, it burn you like pepper and I cramp off it onion. Just chop a raw onion, the purple one. Yeah. The foot can swell, big so you know, man. And I lie down, you know. And just say the foot have to better. I'm just use the vinegar and the purple one and I see it. So everybody said I have to cut off. I said no, man. They say me have this, me have that. Me run go a doctor. Doctor said, boy, I don't no complain for you. No. I can't find nothing for you. I said, alright, doctor, send me home. And so I come home. I walk your foot. I look about to myself. Put on my socks for night time with my purple one. And you suck out everything. When you look on your morning time, you can't believe I won. You read on the blood for my finger. So I go. What? Just cut up here and put in your socks. The whole of your foot bottom. And put on the socks. Just put in your socks and put on. When you go to your bed, you can't do it in a drawer for you just suck your body. And if you're in a drawer now, you still catch cold. So you have to indoor. You can't outdoor. And in the morning now when you come out, make sure your shoes very dry. Put on. Not no wet. It is like you go over and Morris says to work and man, you're supposed to throw some rum in your shoes. For 10, 11 o'clock before Morris gone back down. For him shoot up everything. The frost out time in come from and take your land. In Morris. I remember saying him, you see like I said now, you live as a earthquake passing. You know, feel it. And Morris take everything. Yeah. A man, you go tired with that man, say, boy, you know, sir, earthquake pass. I say, you know, you feel it. You're up on the Morris. The whole of down, so I'm land foot, so I pay riverhead, go right now. The whole of it, I pay riverhead, pay water. And they used to me clean the Morris and you come back, for you come back, I will show you riverhead them. Water can show you every one of them. The water, they pump up, so. A vision they get for this, man. Every man out an ample road, I find out how me want control this a piece of land and have it. And they want to acknowledge. They can't come in. Man come over here and they want pumpkin seed, you know. Yeah, man. He say, concrete boy, you want to plant pumpkin? I give one other bag of pumpkin seed. The other 3 more months, he come back and beg me pumpkin. I say, go and go pick it, man. Look at your bush, pick pumpkin and go cook. He say, just see pumpkin, pick pumpkin. I don't want it too much. First, me that to sell like every week, and every day one car comes, so one call in and load.
So you have a marketplace?
Yeah, man.
You have a direct market?
Yeah.
Straight to the hotel?
Yeah. And when me ready, you know, the crop here now, anything else me put in the crop here now, the crop ready. I want to pick 350 pounds, I'll give post.
That's what I like it, sir.
I give post 350 pounds, weight, and give them. I mean, I want, me pay taxi man, I go give them. I mean, I want $1. Nobody not tell me so them give me $1. I don't want it. I not pray. Nothing me not have way too good to give nobody. You come here and have no food and you find me.
Live for live.
You have to live.
Live for live.
Yes. I tell people every day my money in my pocket enough for more. I can't do it. If I go to my bed tonight, I can't sleep for you hungry. I don't want you hungry. You understand? No, I can't do that with people. If I saw we feel live, we have to live. If I saw me feel live, me have to live so. I can't tell the next man if you live we like how me living.
Yeah, but you have to live how you want.
Yes.
How you feel comfortable.
Me have me born at Westmoreland, reporting Westmoreland Pit. Me have land with Roger Clark upon a 199 acre William Seal affiliate. Roger Clark, Minister of Agriculture of Milan. Me have 2,900 acre Cave Mountain. Me have 50 acre beach out of farm. And I left Belmont and grown. Right if I to see you all bus there, I'm up there hang up there, so right to them say, welcome to farm. A big place, you see fence up with the wall. See me. My daddy left guest house a White House. See me. And see me. I live like no. Me no burn weed from the barn. Me no drink weed tea. I just saw me live. Eh?
A man will never know.
So when you sit down and look for me, alright, the first weed my daddy plant is 25 acres. I never smoke, I never drink none of them tea. And see me, I have 52 right now, standing on Jamaica side. Well going strong. Eh? I run up and down. Yeah. And see it. Me have to help a man na film farm for which part you come to me look like big man, I go help since morning, you know. And me have to run in farm around this. And give me next 2 more months, just a lock off. And me have to consider about more land to plant. I mean not stop plant food, the food me want plant, me want have it. By nation want it. And not everybody go have the money to buy it. You can't make them go to them bed hungry. Everybody out there with me I idiot, but me give it too much.
Yeah, too much to give.
Man, yeah, man. You never know, man. Just plant, you're right. You see that little patch of bean there? Give it, pick off the first set and give it. And watch the second set. You sell it till you don't want the money. I bless you get from the first set, you get the people. First set you give old lady and he said, God bless you, my son. If he'll full, you can't pick you, what you do with it. You can't do nothing with it. You don't have it. You don't understand me. So we have to know ourselves. If we don't know ourselves, we're back against the wall. Yeah. We have to deal with it. Deal with the mother hurt. I mother hurt. This is the hurt. This is the mother hurt. And I hit we have to live off. And we have to live from it. We come from it. When you come, we go back to it. And we that. You understand me? Yes, we have to conscious in our way. If we're not conscious. Alright, look at this now. We meet this man on a pokey easy, you know. And I just did hear my reason and they tell him about herbs and things and so we come back right here. So. Right, you know my farm. You understand? Yeah. You understand? So I tell him about my farm and when he come see it, I say, me the talkie and I know so my farm I run.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Yes. The journey. When I see episode 1, I don't understand. Wow. Today was a blessing.
Come on again, my man. Go back to the 9 again.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. I want put in the chat. Man, I put that up. I want to carry the ass. Yeah, we carry the bar.
Yo, there's going to be a lot of people over the states coming to plant them thing, you know.
Yeah.
It's going to be a Jamaica Good Life massive just coming to Negril with them tents, the mosquito nets, and bring them tools and them seeds and just plant and just give her the food. The elders not trenched out. Elders not.
You must have a while.
Yeah.
Portion. Them pumpkin have to go post. Me tell you that. I send me got 200. Let me see. Me carry all that tongue go give them. That's a 20 under there. Cabbage everything, no 49 carry go give them. 90. And somebody when they eat it, they must say, God bless the farmer. Because I heard like that. No money no pay to me. But the blessing of Father just show for me.
Take a blessings and move harder.
Yeah. I go full. I go full up. The basket I go full. And this.
And what it good for?
Eh? You tell them, man. If it's a dandelion,
Expensive, huh?
very expensive. Yes, a piece of land now, I have to scrape back right on my plant. Dandelion. Dandelion. Come do them. This is for the bird. It's a bird pepper. I plant them special for the bird. Eat. Yeah. Here, so I not leave smell self. I plant the hot pepper alone. Give me that thing for it. Nobody not there for it. I got me alone. That piece of land now. Dandelion and I'll clean it. Straight up. Yes, see dandelion seed on. You know, natural herb. Let's go in. So, anyhow, you just put them everything on your phone and send them to them for them know what they want them for. See them and them as dandelion. The seed of the dandelion is good for gallstone. Your patchy, it's an nickel. Put in a mortar, beaty. You parch beaty and you use it as coffee for gallstone, dandelion this. You understand? Yeah. Yeah man, everything what you say after me man, every earthly thing man. I take out back a piece of land here now. You understand? I take out everything out of this. Green up here. Oh, that's alright. Cut it back brown. So. Green up here. Pepper everything over there. So. That's in over there so I can eat.
Your chicken weed is around.
Yeah, I have chicken weed. Everything there. So any herb you want, just link me to find it. Load up on your move. Yeah. I work with the earth. I have no more earth to do. Plant food. Deal with herbs. And I get, if you more me deal with herb, I'm more my brain work more wide as an old man. Understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What's this one here?
That's a broomweed.
Broomweed.
Yeah.
Good for what?
The broomweed then now, broomweed is a thing like this now, where you can't boil with said guinea hen. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it said Comfrey, you use it to guinea hen, but you use the broomweed tree. And this is the sugar. That's Spanish legal. That's the sugar. Spanish legal.
Spanish legal for sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah. Rabbit food?
Yeah, that's the sugar. And remember, say you can't eat. Eh? The grass I am wild time. They go to gripe into baby. Baby they gripe. Yeah. This.
How you get them? Boil
it and get them.
Oh, when it dry?
Yeah. All herbs to dry. No.
No green herb.
No green herb we no use. See pumpkin on my ass. Yeah, they don't like it.
We'll go after.
Yeah? Everything, man.
We'll go for two of the big cane, you know.
You want to kill, man, no problem. You know, no problem, man. You should have cut already still, you understand? But you can't get it.
You want a big sugar cane to eat? Tell the people when they come to Jamaica, they must eat sugar cane.
See birds feed now, man.
Birds, what you call it?
This is a bird pepper.
That's that. So the people bought the sugar cane and we use that.
And
We'll go pop two of them.
come on. Can't go for mash it.
I don't feel mash it, man. Can't mash up the, yeah, even jelly coconut the year, you know, so.
You have jelly too?
See in front of you, jelly coconut tree there, a young one.
Elvis.
Everything happening in due processing, right?
Elvis has this very subtle, serious, comedic side to him. Deeply funny. Deeply, what's the word you use? Elvis is what? No, here's what I'm saying. You see this? And tell me if I'm wrong. Would this be a good place for us to camp?
I can't put it, of course, Randy.
I'm just,
Randy.
just yes or no.
Randy.
Mm-hmm.
I know you put a tent. Saying once you have the right people, it's a good place.
When I go on the internet and do research to the pumpkin seed, where you find it?
A good magnesium.
Alright.
Mother teach me that. Give her credit. My mother the great, you know.
So Rodney, the man say sugar cane bus gas.
You know your words. Your words, Elvis.
About my words.
I'm not going to even
Entertain.
process it more time. I have to just write it down on a board, read it.
Good, press up.
Give thanks, Lion.
Sugar cane will be grand.
Yes, but
Put name out and show the people how to
that's why I'm not processing language, you know. The youth are dangerous, you know. You can't process him, man. I'm tricky. You're tricky.
You can't, I want to know what. More calm manager.
You're not ready yet, man. Alright, here, Radley, put the cup of in your mouth. That's what I want to feel.
So you have some bird pepper.
Yeah, that's what I like.
You have some bird
That's the
pepper.
rasta. The bird pepper. You just swallow it. So the people who know when you go up to go on food. That's so cool. Real food. Nice one. People are swallowing food, people.
Oh, you have some okra?
Okra can't eat okra.
Yeah, go now.
I didn't know I should
Give
have
thanks.
So?
That's a lot of stuff that you can bust it for Wait. Come on, come.
Should I bust them up at the car?
No,
My shit has stayed down here. That's right.
Okay.
fresh on the tree. Just pick it and put it in your mouth and eat it. Just try it up.
Elvis, more eat everything, you know.
Huh?
And the stem too, you know.
No, man. You know what about that?
You want to eat some bird pepper with it too?
Eat bird pepper already.
You eat bird pepper with it?
Eat already. Just throw this pepper in your mouth, Rodney, and swallow it. Man round me, you know. No man, none of them man they round me, you know. We're a soldier. You understand? You know we're a soldier. So we don't want them man they round me. So if you want them man they Rodney, put in your mouth, Rodney, and swallow it.
Oh, the Almighty,
Aye.
give thanks and blessings to creation.
Look how you're fresh now, man. Nice.
Concrete,
Nice.
your blessings, man.
Nice.
Your blessings is great. You know, really appreciate. Hey, Concrete, no mind one day just say we set up camp and you come in and a whole bunch of women are dance around naked, you know.
No, not on the farm. Not on the farm.
Before him plant the weed,
No,
we have to make the one them dance naked.
not on the farm.
It's alright, that's all. My brother, on the farm. My brother. No.
What now have against naked women are dancing and run a fire?
On the farm. My brother. Not on the farm.
You see this?
Not on the
This
farm.
I got broke down. That's right, that's all.
Yeah.
I build a camp with a upstairs, right? That's all. Now use force and cut off that limb there and shape up the tree. We build one upstairs, right?
Yes, so we have to camp out when we get the tent, you alright?
Nice camp or someone. Go just so.
Alright, just so all the way are coming now.
Alright.
Yeah, that's that.
So when we come to the west, right here, so. So Concrete, we just bring the water in.
No, I watch and your problem.
Alright. Stay up on it. I'm going to stay while we are now.
Yeah, come on, we are.
In Christmas. Stinking move up.
The Almighty creation has blessed Jamaica Good Life. See all yammed.
No, then you're a cocoa head.
A cocoa head.
Yeah, so you chop now. And I'm going to come back here and I'll come and go around and so. That's where I get the eye from. And it's the plant. Like how you see that go? Coconut.
Yam.
That sheen. See yam they
So
go
I
past
can
it.
blaze a big pot. Oh, I'm telling you one.
See me pot pan stand
Hey,
there.
nobody get afraid to come around here, you know.
Are you? Oh, wait. Wait me. See? See cassava there. Yam there, pumpkin there, planting.
More freedom. You see me? This is the first time the world I see your thing, your vision.
Yeah,
So now many people come to plant it up.
yeah, man.
And we have 13,000 subscribers. So them can't have no excuse.
No. We have everything like
You know?
all the man.
What do you say?
Let's see, when you can't park up over your bush then. JJL car.
Yeah. Right over there, sir. With the tent them and the people them. Cause we can bring a bag load of people to camp out. You see me? And plant. Concrete, that's the deal.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to bring the people to deal with the land for you. And then bring them tent.
Come on, deal with positivity, why not?
Oh, you mean, man? You are the greatest positivity me ever encountered in Jamaica.
Man, so I'm planting the food. Get it. I'm alone can't eat it.
Alone can't eat it. But someone a party one, so...
Go up on him, man. There's a brownie, man. Brownie, man.
Big and
Chuck
sweet.
nails.
Get on, man. Get on up on him.
I just want to come out of the truck. How much space in one, so?
I learn the mother Negril to drive.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I learn the girl to drive.
I look like I learn too.
Yeah, man. I run a thing and learn them to drive.
Yeah, because all over traffic around now.
Oh.
So when they just start, then get them out.
Yeah.
You get them out of the go on.
If them are runner, they run it to themselves.
Yeah.
You know, the lick, you know,
Nah, nobody.
Get and lick down.
Yeah, I want cheek.
Yeah.
Yes, that was Kane.
No, that's just Jamaica Good Life because we have both worlds. We have the beach, we have the land, we have the food.
Yeah.
We have the man, we have the vision.
Inland and outland.
Yes. And it's close to the beach. You see me? And we have the love, you know? So you can't ask for more than that. Total freedom. You know. So me do my part, concrete.
Me find myself, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But they come and start all land there, you know. The people ain't coming like say, boy, they just take me over game stuff. And I laugh with them every day, you know. And I sit down around them and them are laughing. And every one of them they laugh. They have to come back to me, you know. But they in need of food. So they have to come back to me. But me don't come and have the food. You understand? And everybody part of go and burn fire. You understand?
Yeah.
So without that, we can't help them and they have to feel like food really deal. People ain't come man, come put in and them put in. We have land around the can done man, they have land to clean down like boy. Not chuck and bus and car and shit out to people. With other Rasta man. You understand that way of it? Yes.
Love yourself.
Yes.
Honor,
Yes.
respect.
Respect.
Enough for come.
Yes.
Love.
Yes.
All right.